Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share the PDF lead magnet that you have created. This is a problem that I've seen people come across before. They've created a fantastic lead magnet, they've downloaded the PDF, and then they don't know how to share it with the audience. So they've created an opt-in form and the CRM system automatically sends them an email, but they don't know how to attach the PDF to the email because most CRM systems don't allow you to add attachments. So here are 3 different ways that you can share that PDF with your audience. So first up, we have Canva. Now, Canva, you can easily share your PDF. So most people do go and create their PDFs within Canva itself. So to do this, all you need to do is click on share. And then here you'll see it says public view link. If you click on that, it will allow you to create a public view link. That means that anybody can view it, but they're not able to edit it or do anything else to it. And they also don't need to have to sign in to be able to access it, because sometimes it might be that you're sharing a PDF with somebody and they don't actually have a Canva account. So just click on create public view link, and then it will give you a link here. It will say copy link. If you just click on that, and if I go and paste this into a different window, you will see it will open up and people can then see the PDF file. Now, another way to do it is to upload it to Google Drive. Google Drive is free, up to a limited amount of storage, obviously. So you can upload the file. You can see that I've uploaded it here, your simple business blueprint. If you click on the 3 dots here, you can click on share, click on get link. And then what you can do is you can share this with anybody on the internet. So it will give you 2 options. It will say restricted or anyone with the link. So you want to change it to anyone with the link, and you want to make sure that it is on view. So you don't want them to be able to comment or edit. You just want it on view. Click on copy link again, and that's the link that you would give to people. So again, if I go into another window, click on that, you will see that again, they will be able to view the PDF and they'll be able to click on it and download it. Now, the third option, if you have a WordPress website, is you can actually upload it to your WordPress site and give them a link to share from there. So again, if I go into the back end of my WordPress, click on media, I would then upload this as a media file. So add new media file, select file, upload your PDF. That will upload, and then once that is uploaded, you can click on it, and then you'll see here it says file URL. Now again, you can copy that URL and just paste that, and again, that will open that for you. So those are 3 different ways that you can share it. And then what you would do is just take those URLs, whatever way you are choosing to do it, and you would just paste that into the email that they receive. But those are 3 really, really easy ways to share that brilliant lead magnet that you have created.